I started doing hair when I was 14 years old out of my parents' garage. I never had another job in my life ever since. It's all I've ever done. You know, I do a lot of charity work and education all around the world, and what I realized is that hair is a universal language. Everybody walks away with the exact same feeling, whether you have a negative bank account or you're a billionaire. I'm gonna use the göt2b fiber cream in your hair. It's not too heavy. You know, you have longer hair, so you want it to move around a little bit and keep it a little more natural looking. A haircut or a hairstyle can make or break an individual. A lot of men in particular refuse to use a blow dry or even refuse to use products. If we can just show them, they're eventually going to start using it because it has the potential to look that good. For someone with a shorter, tighter haircut, I would use the göt2b texturizing clay. It's got more of a matte finish to it. It's got a little bit more hold, so it'll stay in place a little better. You can still move it around, and you can have all different looks throughout the day. I go into every day knowing that I'm going to make people's day better, and that's why I love what I do.